Hi there, welcome. Are you a BA, BBA, BCom, BBM, MBA, MCom background graduates who's looking for job opportunities? We are here to assure you guaranteed interviews which will make you job ready for today's banking, financial services and insurance industry. This is a free training program with no hidden costs on banking concepts, insurance, investment banking, which will make you job ready within the next 3 months. This offer is applicable up to 15th February 2025. Post that, the same course will cost you 34,000. So don't miss this opportunity. Walk into any of our branches in Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Noida, Mumbai, Pune and Tirupati and get this course absolutely free of cost. Are you ready to start learning and achieve your goals in 2025? Register now as this is an offer with limited seats. Click the link below in the description to get started now.